Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. This video is being brought to us by video.ai, but we'll get more into that after we get into this. Make sure you have text coming on your screen as soon as your video starts. You want to make sure you have text coming on the screen, letting people know what's going on. You have to remember, a lot of people are watching these videos without the volume. And I found that what works for me is to make sure that you have text popping on the screen. They're able to follow along and keep that going along with your videos, text on the screen. That's why I love our sponsor for this video today called video.ai. That's VIDYO.ai. I'll leave a link to them in the description, but check this out. You just go to that website, video.ai. They'll bring up a screen similar to this right here, and they'll ask you a few basic questions. Answer a few questions, real simple. Which of these describes you best? For me, it's video content. As you can see, they have different choices. What do you like to make? For me, it's making short form content, edit subtitles. So just follow along. It's free to get started. You can always upgrade. They will help you to put subtitles and put text on your videos. As you can see, just getting started, you can upgrade if you want to upgrade, but you're just getting started. They start you off with 75 minutes every month that you can get for free just to get started. They'll have it where you can personalize it with your handle for different platforms: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. For me, it's YouTube. They'll process the video for you. Once they load the video, you can choose between different templates that you like to use. All the templates automatically add subtitles to your videos. And once you get it just the way you want it, you can save it, upload it to your channel, edit it a little later. This is a great service to use, putting text on the screen. I'll leave a link to them in the description. So I want to give a big shout out to video.ai. If you choose to use them, just tell them Stevon sent you. Putting text on the screen as soon as your video pop up, that's going to maintain retention, keep people watching for longer. So remember that the next time you create your short videos, putting that text on the screen is not only going to help retain people because they have that popping up as soon as they start watching, but for those who are not watching with their volumes up, it's going to retain them as well, giving them something to read so that they know what your short is all about. And there are other ways that you could do it, but I like video.ai because they're free to use, free to get started, and easy to access. And by the way, if you're new here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Let's get our shorts on that short chef together. Love to have you here at Next Level. Maybe you're just getting started and you're just starting with short form content. Right now is the best time. YouTube is really showing a lot of love for shorts creators. As a matter of fact, on this video right here, in the first hour, I gained 9 subscribers, over 1,000 views, and a lot of people will tell you that your subscribers are not watching you. I've got proof that they are. As a matter of fact, check this video out right here, coming up on the screen, facts about your subscribers that YouTube don't talk about. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out, enjoy that. Gotta show some love for my subscribers and returning viewers. I appreciate you. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.